Do you want to get absolutely shredded, visible six-pack, vein popping, and then dry static looks? Getting to 10% body fat is not easy, but today I'll show you exactly how to do it without tuning your muscles mass or energy levels. Most people fail because they make these three critical mistakes. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan to get to 10% body fat safely and effectively. First, let's understand what 10% body fat really looks like. At this level, your abs are fully visible, jawline is sharper, and veins start appearing on your arms. But to get there, you need to control one major thing: your calorie intake. To lose fat, you must be in a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you consume. But here's the trick: you should not cut calories too aggressively, or you lose muscles along with fat. Best strategy: maintain a moderate deficit of 3 to 500 calories per day. The right diet for 10% body fat. Your diet will decide whether you look shredded and muscular or skinny and weak. So focus on these three key micronutrients: high protein, chicken, eggs, fish, tofu, and protein shake. Eat at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight to preserve muscles while cutting fat. Carbs are not the enemy. Just keep them moderate and time them around workouts for energy. Healthy fats. Fat supports hormones like testosterone, which is crucial when cutting. Don't go too low on fats. Eat 18% clean food, 20% flexible so you don't feel restricted. The perfect workout routine. Training is just not about doing hours of cardio. The real key is strength training to preserve muscles while cutting fat. Best training plans for 10% of body fat. Weight training 4 to 5 times per week. Focus on heavy compound lifts like squat, deadlift, and bench press. High intensity interval training 2 to 3 times per week. Short but intense cardio burns fat faster. Daily movement 10,000 steps burn extra calories without killing yourself in the gym. Lift heavy even in a deficit to single your body to keep muscles. The secret weapon: sleep and recovery. You can train hard and diet perfectly, but if your recovery sucks, you will not reach 10% of body fat. Sleep 7 to 9 hours for boost fat loss and testosterone levels. Reduce stress. Stress equal to more cortisol, equal to more belly fats. Hydration. 1 gallon of water daily to stay lean and prevent bloating. The hard truth: how long does it take? How fast you can reach 10% of body fat? It depends on where you start. If your body fat is 20 to 25%, then takes around 3 to 6 months. 15 to 18% body fat takes around 8 to 12 weeks. 12 to 14% body fat takes around 4 to 8 weeks. Stay consistent, track progress weekly, and adjust your calories as needed. Getting to 10% body fat is not easy, but it's 100% possible if you follow the right plan. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions.